All right, good morning, Campfire crew. This is Tony and Stella checking in from the newly refurbished, updated lodge. All right, this morning we are going to cook breakfast for Catherine. And y'all can still see the smoke coming from my mouth. Listen, this morning in Alabama, it was somewhere near the mid-30s, and we drank a couple of cups of coffee to let it warm up some before we came outside. So now it's like 38, 39 degrees. So that's bearable in the state of Alabama when you get near 40. So let me show you what we're going to cook this morning. First of all, we have some farm fresh eggs straight out of the chicken house. And we're going to cook them in this freshly cleaned up, re-seasoned lodge skillet. So we're going to make eggs and cheese this morning for Catherine. And also we have some bacon and cheddar smoked sausage. Except we're going to put a twist on the bacon and cheddar smoked sausage. This morning we're going to cook them up and we're going to wrap them inside of a crescent roll and make like old school pig in the blanket. So we're going to have scrambled eggs and cheese and bacon and cheddar, pigs in the blanket. So let's get cooking. We've got everything heating up. I've already got the pizza oven somewhere around 375, closer to 400 degrees, which is on low. I don't think we can get it much cooler than that without venting it. And we've already got the grill fired up. So here's one thing that's pretty interesting about the lodge. With the windows all the way around the lodge, the wind is blowing from this direction, and with these two ovens on, it's pretty toasty in here. So we're going to have fun and we're going to cook some breakfast. So first of all, let's get this smoked sausage cooking in this newly re-seasoned lodge cast iron skillet. Hey. Put a little butter in. If y'all remember, we're cooking on the fish cooker that was made somewhere in the 60s or 70s or somewhere in there. So the fish cooker is somewhere around 50 years old or maybe even a little bit older. So we're going to cook breakfast on that old fish cooker. All right, the crescent roll said heat oven to 375 degrees, unroll dough, and separate into 8 triangles. So we're going to take those triangles and we're going to roll our smoked sausages up in them and then cook them inside the pizza oven. Whop pizza rolls. If y'all like smoked sausage, leave me a comment down in the comment section. Still a little cool here. Hey, it's still not long enough, or it's still not cold enough for long pants. Alright, now we're going to take our smoked sausage, because they're close. We're going to take our smoked sausage and we're going to roll them up in these crescent rolls, and we're going to get them in the oven. Oh, this things look amazing. Look good. Beautiful. Look how good those smoked sausage look. That thing is amazing. Get a little warm. We're going to roll the rest of these up and just make crescent rolls out of them. Alright, we have all of the bacon, cheddar, pigs in the blanket made. Let's get them in the oven and let's see how long it takes to get these things done. We got 4 cracked eggs in a bowl. We're going to mix those up real well before we put our cheese in. We've got the heat cut down on the cast iron skillet. I always call sliced cheese. I call it patty cheese. It aggravates Catherine to death. So y'all remember, if you ever mention cheese in front of her, call it patty cheese. Cheese patty. So we've washed and cleaned the skillet up. This is our camping skillet. We washed the eggs out and cleaned it up. Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, a little bit of vegetable oil back on it, and I'm gonna get it hot again and make it smoke, and make sure I got a good layer of seasoning on that thing after washing it before I put it back up. So if you guys don't use these little rubber handles for your Lodge cast iron for your skillets, you need to get some. These things are hand savers. This particular one was sent to me by a buddy of mine named Tom, who lives down in Florida. Mr. Tom, thank you, my buddy, for this. We're gonna get a lot of use out of it. All right, Campfire Crew. Old school pigs in the blanket made with bacon and cheddar smoked sausage wrapped in a crescent roll or a croissant. These things look amazing. They smell amazing. So we've got some scrambled eggs and cheese in the house all ready to go with these. So let's go make Catherine a plate and let's see if we can make her smile this morning. All right. We appreciate y'all watching the video. And for all the new folks that have subscribed, thank you very much. And listen, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You should be out here in the lodge cooking in some cast iron and cooking croissant rolls inside of a pizza oven with me and Stella.